How to download and install PicsArt on mobile. So if you want to download and install PicsArt on your mobile device, then what you need to do is first check if you have a stable internet connection or not. So once you have a stable internet connection, you just need to go with the Play Store on your Android device, and if you are using Apple, then you can go with your App Store. So once you're here on the Play Store, you just need to simply go with the search, which is here on the bottom right. Tap on the search icon, go for the search, and here you need to search for PicsArt. Once you search for that, here you will have PicsArt AI photo editor. So you just need to simply click on it, and here you will have all of these features if you've installed this PicsArt. So if you want to download and install, simply tap on install button and it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application, but once it's downloaded, you can use the application. You will have smart AI backgrounds, and you can also remove the background, and you will have professional design templates. You will have thousands of premium fonts. You can generate AI images and everything, and you can add stickers to it. You can edit and design the videos. So that's how you can download and install PicsArt on your mobile device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.